Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage tasks using teamwork.com, a must-know skill for the year 2025. First things first, log into your teamwork.com account. It's your hub for all things project management, and once inside, you'll find it's really user-friendly. The reason we start here is because it's essential to have all your project information centralized in one place. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Tasks tab. This is where you'll find all your tasks neatly sorted by project and where you'll be doing most of your task management. This step is crucial because having a clear view of all your tasks helps you stay organized and focused. Next up, let's create a new task. Click on the Add Task button and fill in the necessary details like task name, description, assignee, and due date. This helps us because it's the first step in differentiating and categorizing your tasks to make sure everyone in your team knows what they're responsible for. Now, let's talk about task lists. Click on the Create Task List button. This is an excellent way to group related tasks together. For example, you could create a task list for a specific phase of a project. The reason we do this is because it allows for more efficient planning and tracking of tasks. After you've created your task list, you might want to prioritize your tasks. Select a task and use the priority dropdown to choose between low, medium, high, or no priority. This helps us because it ensures important tasks aren't overlooked and helps the team to focus efforts where they're needed most. And finally, let's discuss task dependencies. These mark tasks that need to be completed before others can start. To create a dependency, simply click on the Dependencies tab within a task and choose the preceding task from the dropdown. This is important because dependencies help manage the flow of work, ensuring tasks are completed in the right order. So that's how you manage tasks in teamwork.com. It's all about creating, categorizing, prioritizing, and setting dependencies for your tasks to streamline your project management process. Remember, effective task management is key to a successful project. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.